Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hernanda Dewi Saputri. In this video, I will show you how to use media Watermelon Graphic Organizer for teaching writing. Well, I will explain how the implementation of Watermelon Graphic Organizer for teaching writing in the classroom. In this occasion, I will teaching personal narrative for 5th grade in elementary school. The rule of teaching learning process in the classroom: the first, you should greeting to your students, and the second, before you enter to the material, you should create brainstorming by ask your student randomly. The example, you can ask your students about their experience and what a place they ever visited. If you think enough for brainstorming or warming up, you can explain your student what they will study today, and you can show or introduce your media. After that, divided your student into some group, so you can ask them to write the big topic on the paper like it is in each student, but in a group in a one paper like this. The topic is the topic which is they will related with, they will write for a moment. The example from personal narrative like summer vacation or holiday in the beach and etc. After the students write their big topic in one paper for each students per group like this, they can tap their paper on the whiteboard or blackboard in front of the class, for the other can see what their friends topic. And remember, the students should write the different topics among their friends in a group. If all of the groups have write and collect their big topic in front of the class, teacher should distribute the media like this for individual assignment. This paper you can call a worksheet. The students should write big topic to small moment, and from the big topic to the small moment for their personal narrative, based on their personal narrative. For the first, here I take the example for how to write personal moment, use this media in this worksheet. For the first watermelon topic, in the first watermelon, you can write your bigger topic. The example, I took a trip in the beach. That is the big topic. For the second, there is slice topic. Slice topic, the example here, in the beach on Tuesday, I spent the whole day by the ocean. That's the slice topic. After the slice topics, you can write in the third, there is seed topic. Seed topic, for the example, I built a Hakasana castle, like that, and etc. In slice topic, you can write 2 or 3 slice, and in a seed also you can write 4 or 5 seed what the activities you did when you in the beach, or what your personal narrative based on the students' experience. This media can guide students easier to write personal narrative, and the advantage for this media is get their started and organize their thoughts, help students to stay on the topic, and reminder of the sequence, so the lights provide a scaffold or how to write. Okay, maybe that is from me. I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.